Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to find the flashlight blueprints inside of Subnautica 2. For the flashlight, you're going to need 2 blueprint fragments, and the first one is actually directly underneath of the Lifepod where you start the game. So swimming down here, underneath of the Lifepod, you will find fragment number 1 inside of this box. You can give that a scan and you'll have the first of the 2 fragments for the flashlight. Then for the next one, we're going to head to the south, past the welcome center here, to an easily exposed section of debris, this one right here, and the flashlight is just on the edge of it, right over here. So here you can just pop out and give this bad boy a scan, and then you will have the flashlight. The flashlight itself is relatively cheap to make. It just takes titanium, a battery, and some quartz. Now I will say the flashlight is sort of pointless because the Wakemaker actually comes with a built-in flashlight that you can right-click in order to use, although it doesn't show up very well during the daylight. So you can just build the Wakemaker and use it as a flashlight and save yourself an inventory slot rather than using it. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's where you get the flashlight inside of Subnautica 2. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.